Do you want to know how you can create a hyperlink on your Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a hyperlink on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram and go to one of your groups or channels. Let's suppose I want to create a hyperlink about this text. So I will write something like this, and then I will select this link over here. You can select any one of these texts and you can see this 3 lines button. Go ahead and click on this 3 line, scroll down a bit and you can see create link. Go ahead and click on create link and you can write down the link over here. So after you write down the link, go ahead and click OK. Send next. And you can see that this has become a hyperlink. So it's quite easy, guys. Let me teach it to you again. So you write something like this, select the last one, click on the 3 lines and then scroll a bit down and you can see create link. Go to create link. So there is the URL box. Go ahead and write down the URL for your hyperlink. So after you write down the URL, go ahead and confirm it by clicking OK. And you can see that this is over here. So after you do this, go ahead and click apply changes and press next. You can see that the hyperlink has been created. If a person clicks on this link, it will lead you to the link which you had kept over there on the URL box. So guys, that's it. That's how you create a hyperlink on your Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.